Welcome to ITDesigners. Today our topic is Introduction to HTML. Let's start with what is HTML? The abbreviation of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. It is basic language to start web development. It is a markup language, not a programming language. By HTML we describes the structure of our page. It consists of elements which tells the browser how to display the content in web page. Let's move next. Advantages of HTML. Number 1. HTML is easy to learn and use. Let's elaborate it. HTML is very easy to learn and understand. HTML is the first and foremost language that the person will go through for the one who is learning web development. It has simple tags, and there is no hectic of case sensitivity in HTML. It simply has some tags that serve a specific purpose, and that's it. One can easily understand others' code and can make changes in it if required, as there is not. Number 2 is 2. HTML is free. One of the biggest advantages of HTML is that it is free of cost. And there is no need to purchase specific software. One should not have to deal with different plugins required. To work on any software, as HTML does not require any plugins. So it is very cost-effective from a per business perspective, as there is no cost of purchasing the license. If the whole website is developed in HTML language. Number 3 is 3. HTML is supported by all browsers. HTML supports almost all browsers around the globe. So there is no need to worry about the website written. Advantage of HTML. HTML is simple to edit. HTML is very easy to edit, as there is no need to have a special interface or platform to edit it. It is written in simple Notepad and hence can be simply edited in any text editor like Notepad, Notepad++, etc. Let's see another advantage of 4. HTML is basic of all programming languages. For the programmer to be either a front-end or back-end developer, one must have knowledge of HTML. As it is the basic language, great with it while coding like JavaScript, JSP, PHP, etc. Similarly, XML syntax is just like HTML and XML, which is used these days widely for data storage. Last one, advantages are friendly. HTML is a user-friendly programming language. One does not need to have any prior knowledge of any language. Understanding simple English is sufficient to work with it. If you want to learn HTML, just enroll now. Link is in description. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.